I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make silica sand. First, gather your materials, including regular sand, water, and a few basic tools. We will walk through each step, from initial washing to final drying, ensuring you understand the entire process. This easy method is perfect for small-scale projects, helping you achieve cleaner, more uniform sand for your needs. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, you'll need some readily available materials. Start with about 5 pounds of regular place sand, a good amount for a first attempt. Next, grab a large, sturdy bucket for mixing and washing, along with a fine mesh sieve, ideally with openings smaller than 1 millimeter, to separate impurities. Finally, make sure you have a reliable source of clean water, as washing is a crucial step in this process. The next critical step involves washing your sand to remove unwanted dirt, clay, and organic matter. Place your sand in the large bucket, add plenty of water, then agitate it vigorously. Stir and swirl the mixture, allowing lighter impurities to float and be poured off with the cloudy water. Repeat this washing and rinsing process multiple times until the water you pour off remains completely clear, indicating much cleaner sand. Once your sand is thoroughly washed, it's time for drying. Spread the clean, wet sand thinly on a clean surface, like a tarp or baking sheet, in a sunny spot, or using a fan to help it dry completely. This might take several hours. After drying, sieve the sand through a fine mesh screen to achieve a uniform particle size and remove any remaining small debris. You now have your own silica sand. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.